Do you know what people who survived the 2008 and 2020 crisis had in common? They followed 3 diversification rules before the crash. Every 7 to 10 years, the economy has a crisis. This is not a theory, this is what history shows. Late 1990s, the Asian and debt crisis. 2000, the dot-com crash. 2008, the housing crisis. 2020, the pandemic. 2026 and 2027, rule number 1. Keep at least 20 to 30% of your money in gold, so you feel calmer during crisis. Let's look at the number. During the dot-com crash from 2000 to 2002, the S&P 500 index fell almost 50% from top to bottom. Gold, at the same crisis years, grew in total by around 20%. In the housing crisis of 2007 to 2009, the S&P 500 fell almost 57%. Gold stayed in profit over these years and showed clear growth. In 2020, stocks dropped about 35% at the worst moment. Gold first fell about 10%, but by the end of the year it grew more than 25%. Gold will not make you rich, but it can protect the money you already made. And if we look from the early 2000s, some studies show that gold even beat the S&P 500 because of these crisis periods. Rule number 2. Build a currency basket. Always diversify your currency. In countries with currency crises, in Asia, Latin America and other developing markets, local money sometimes lost 3 to 4 times its value in just a few months. People who kept only local currency lost more than 75% of their buying power. People who kept part of their money in strong global currencies went through it much easier. A simple formula can look like this: 30% in US dollars, 30% in euros or Swiss francs, 40% in gold and silver. Why? Because no currency lives forever, not even dollar. Rule number 3. Crypto as an emergency exit. From 5 to 10% of your money, no more. Why? Crypto works 24/7 and doesn't depend on banks or borders. In 2022, when currencies in some countries were falling and money transfers were restricted, thousands of people kept access to their money through stablecoins and Bitcoin. Now we see many signals that another crisis may be coming. What are you doing to get ready? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss these important signals.